too. That no legit. Anyia, yeah! Happy New Year's.
Like they closed. You sure? What time said they open?
See the lighting? Baby, look at the lighting.
You said top fries that what's the fish got?
These are bowlies. Is this yours? Oh, listen to y'all, they loaded. I ain't gonna lie to you. I love what companies or like food businesses have like boxes like this. It's just like so like.
You want my food? Not too creepy.
Hold on, I'm gonna take a bite of this sandwich real quick. It's a cheesesteak. I ain't gonna put no ketchup on it yet. Oh, it got peppers in it, babe. It got peppers in it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And watch it, De'Quann. That shit stay bussin'. That shit stay bussin'. Oh my mama, that shit. I already know the chicken over rice is gas, but that I promise you, that stuff. Oh, that shit is good.
Let's see.
It's good. I ain't gonna lie to you. The bread is soft.
The booty soft.
It's good. No, that cheesesteak bussin'.
I mean,
Alright, take a bite. Take a nice little bite. Ooh, that was a nice bite too. That no legit. That cheesesteak gas. That cheesesteak gas. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh my mom.
2 AM project.
You gonna be on your spot. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. Whatever they did, do it again.
God damn.
For real, that's so good. Like,
God damn.
whoo. Dang, it made me low-key regret not getting it the first time. And 2 AM project is something new in Baltimore, so I ain't gonna lie to you, it's so good. So good. De'Quann is trying the lame over rice, y'all. Oh, let me show what it look like. It look good.
Ski mask on my face. Sometimes you gotta cheat to stay ahead in this bitch, y'all. Nice.
I'm sorry, I'm eating this food. Oh, good. It feels so good. I haven't had no real good food in so long.
Nice.
I'm not gonna say that because, like, your mom be cooking, my mom, my sister be cooking. You like it? Scale 1 to 10.
Like 8.
Oh, that's pretty solid. Is it better than Eastern Drive?
Nah.
Okay. Cheesesteak though. 1 to 10.
That motherfucker definitely like a 9. 9.5.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. The cheesesteak, like a 10 for me. I ain't gonna lie to you. The cheesesteak a 10 for me. I had the chicken over rice before. I would give it like an 8.5.
They got like a sweet. It's got like a sweet, savory taste to it.
I know, it's so good. So good.
You will go to the end. Go back a little bit. I hate him. And I don't mean I pretend hate him like really I love you. I'm just mad at you actually literally hate him.
Save the word literally when you're being literal.
Shut up.
She better get her ass smacked.
Look.
They changed a lot of stuff right there.
But it looks really nice though.
That's crazy. Last time I came and sat down here, it was with Scoop and Naya on Naya's birthday. Not my Naya, Scoop's Naya. When I came out on my birthday to show some love and stuff like that. Bruh.
Dang, the last time I came down here.
I like a college student right now.
What do I look like?
A college student.
I am a college student.
I still, like some places I be going, bro, people don't be believing I'm older than like 18 or 19. Like some people see me, they like, what you like 20, 21, but that's good though. Like, cause, I mean, but that's normal though. Like, cause I be thinking about it, like the people be like, damn, bro, you don't look 24. If you think about it, my nigga, like that 19 to 23 range, like it's different for some people. Like some niggas, they just keep like their body be aging, they get facial hair and all that. I barely gained any in the past few years, but yeah, we downtown right now. It's cool. We sitting by the water. It don't stink. Usually it stinks.
It's not hot out.
Yeah, it get hot outside. It don't smell like sweaty ass and ball sack.
Alright guys, so we came back to the car because it started raining. So we're just gonna be sitting here and I guess we'll wait in the car until they start doing the fireworks and the drones and stuff like that. When they start doing that, we'll get out the car and watch it from the area we're in right now. So yeah, I just want to give y'all that little update. It was like a nice little vibe. De'Quann got me the balloon, which I'm so excited about. Ooh, I gotta cut it back on. Hold up. Ooh. It's so cute. Thanks, babe. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
Hold on, I gotta change the lighting. Ooh. Song called Magic. Every time I see.
It's nice. The music is nice. The vibe is nice. I'm just had a long week.
Yeah, it's a working man right here.
I'm beat. I'm tired. I've been up since like 3 o'clock this morning.
It's okay.
I'm fighting like my sleep.
It's cool. We're gonna be
I'm always tired though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
You just need to take some time to legit like. Don't
even when I do that, cause I do that. I don't think I get enough time. Like, cause even if I like for a weekend, like for the past few weekends, I'll be like, oh, I just want to like chill. I be wanting to go out, but I just stay home. And if I do go do something, I'll go cut my brother's hair, which don't take a lot of energy. Cut my brother's hair or.
But even still, I feel like what you need to do is like, and I feel like you should apply that to like the new year, is that like you just need to take like a time where like you just don't do nothing at all.
For me to do that, like I think like for my body to be like nice and to feel rejuvenated, I need to take more than a day or two, cause the weekend not long, and weekends don't be long enough. And I feel like it's a lot of people who can understand that, especially when you do a lot of stuff. Like, you know, niggas make music, and you got like, you know, niggas make music, And then, you know, niggas work, whole bunch of other stuff.
YouTube,
All that.
doing
So,
content, creating and stuff like that. So that's true. I get it. I understand. But it's cool though. We're gonna find a way. This new year, we're gonna, like you said, while we was talking and stuff like that off camera, we're gonna legit. This is going to be the year where we're gonna legit enjoy our youth, apply pressure to get, you know, gain the next level and stuff like that. Alright, well, let's chill out. Hold 1 second, so then they're going to start it off 1 second. Alright. Couple of seconds. Oh, it's over there, it's over there. Oh. Happy New Year! It's because of the light. Happy New Year's. I like you.